is all the ash on my van that fell last night. Well, I'm pretty sure Peach Fest is canceled for today. This is the view of the lake. It is really smoky. I'm in my van and I'm wearing my mask that I used during COVID. Yeah, I can barely breathe. It's unreal. I was woken up this morning by an evacuation alert. Not where I am right now, but from Summerland, which is just about 25 kilometers north of here. Thousands, not just hundreds, but thousands of people have been evacuated from Summerland. I'm deciding on whether I should stay for a little bit longer or go. I went to bed last night, like I said, at about 1:30ish. It was still just a backlog of traffic coming into Penticton. The other thing too is I don't really want to get on the road and cause more congestion on the road. So, you know, one more vehicle, you know, with all the evacuees, you know, so if I can stay put, that's better for everyone. And also too, I'm kind of thinking of maybe volunteering as well at the evacuation center. So I'm deciding what my options should be. My heart goes out to all of the people who've been evacuated. So my van is absolutely covered in ash. So this is Peach Fest today. You can see the gates are closed. So everything's been canceled for Saturday so that they can use resources to help the evacuees from the recent wildfires. Well, the carnival is still open. Well, the walk is really quiet today. Nobody is around. Either people are helping with the evacuees or staying indoors because of all the smoke. The birds are still birding though. Nothing will stop them, not even the smoke. I love nature. Brings such normalcy to abnormal situations. Yeah, the beaches are quiet today, that's for sure. Nobody around today. There's one lone swimmer way out there, but that's it. Even the goats are evacuees. Aww. So this is the first chance I've had to update you guys. It's about 8 o'clock. I've been here since about 4 p.m. this afternoon. I've helped with sorting all of the donations that we've been getting. I've been helping serving food and taking care of the snack table. It is just unbelievable, the generosity and just how amazing people have been. The donations that have come in, the volunteers, everybody who's helped out, it's just been absolutely incredible. And hearing people's stories, you know, of being evacuated and losing their homes, and I've given so many hugs today. It's just, it's amazing, people coming together and helping one another. So it's been quite incredible. So it's now day 2 of this wildfire situation in Penticton. You can see behind me the smoke is still really bad. The mornings are the worst. That's why I'm wearing a mask. So now I'm off to continue volunteering for the day and see what help they need today. So here we go. My van has literally become an ash collector.
It's on.
So this is where a lot of the evacuees have bunked out for the evacuation. So another fire has started on the other side of the lake, north of here, near Naramata. So the smoke is still coming down from that area, but the main fire that everybody evacuated from, it is starting to get under control. I think they said it's 70% controlled now, which is really good. So, but yeah, we're still surrounded by fires, and it's one of the reasons why it's still so smoky, and I'm wearing a mask as much as I can. And so one step at a time, but at least a lot of the evacuees have been housed, which is really good. The evacuation centers are still open. So this isn't going to end anytime soon, but progress is being made. And then we've also had firefighters come up from other countries as well to help out. So we have some Mexican firefighters who are coming up to help out, and we also have firefighters from Costa Rica and other countries as well. So we're so grateful for the additional help, because yeah, it's exhausting work. It's a lot of work, and I experienced that even when I was volunteering. I volunteered to do the snack center, and yeah, it was just constant go, 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 go. So today I did not volunteer. They have staff now on to take care of that. So I am just kind of getting caught up on my own stuff, doing errands, laundry, groceries, that sort of thing. So yeah, things are slowly getting back to normal, but it's going to take some time. So the smoke is starting to clear, which is great. You can see the mountains in the background there, so it's not quite as bad as it was before. I'm on my bicycle and just picked up a few things that I needed, groceries, toilet paper, that sort of thing. And yeah, so things are starting to get back to normal, which is good, but there's still a lot of people that are displaced. So yeah, we're doing what we can to help them and to get people sorted and get them homed again and all of that. So one step at a time, one day at a time.